Hi, I'm Marco Palma. I'm Director of Application and Efficient Power Conversion. And here I'm going to show you some motor application and our latest EPC 91122 reference design, which is showcasing the EPC 33110. It's a three-phase module with three integrated circuit power stage, 100 volt, and this board is capable to go up to 20 amps of mass if properly cooled. And we're showing here the board in operation. So this is a drone demo, mid-size drone. This is for a motor and a propeller for a 5 kilogram drone payload. And here is the board which is working. And in the board, there is the controller. Here there's controller, there's a power module, and then two current sensors. And on the opposite side of the board, there is a position sensor, which is obviously not needed for a drone application, usually it's sensorless, but it's needed for a robotic application we show now. And then there are DC bus capacitor and also the offline power supply. On this side of the demo, we're showing also a robotic arm, and the same board is within the motor. So this one is not really powering the motor. The real board is inside the motor. And the motor is a motor joint for humanoid robot. And here you see how the board fits inside the stator. Then on top of the stator, then there is the rotor. Then there is a planetary gear that is doing the reduction 9 to 1. So the purpose of the reduction is that you reduce the speed but increase the torque. In fact, this motor is able to deliver up to 36 Newton meter torque, peak torque. And we also have other demo that there is one that we just launched this week. This is mainly meant for power tools. This is the EPC 91121, and it's based on our latest Gen 7 technology, 40 volt EPC 2366. It's 840 micron. And in this demo, there's everything except the microcontrollers, everything to drive a motor for a power tool. We have the sensor interface, we have the DC bus capacitors. Note, as all demos have just MLCC capacitor for DC bus capacitors, thanks to the gallium nitride technology. Then we have the power stage where there are 3 gate drivers and 6 GaN. And then we have 3 current sensors. And on the other part of the board, we have the power supply plus some other DC bus capacitors. So a customer, by using this reference design, since they have always the same connector, it can scale the power easily from very low power like 250 watt up to 5 kilowatt and immediately prototype in his lab.